Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a quick one. I was out of town for a bit for the eclipse, and I didn't really have time to do a full-length art video, but I got the results of the juried exhibit in this week, and I promised you all I would let you know either way, and I'm gonna tell you right now. So I am kind of sitting in a cave of my two paintings that I submitted. This is called Flower of the Beast. This is called I Am of Many Worlds, and this is the one that you all, those of you that watch the videos, watched me make over the course of a few weeks. This one I did last year, and these are the two that I submitted. So this exhibit is called the Westmoreland Art Nationals, and it is an exhibit that comes through my town every year. It has two components to it. The first one is an exhibit at our local community college, and the second one is in conjunction with an arts festival that comes through every 4th of July weekend, which is called the Westmoreland Arts and Heritage Festival. So each facet of the exhibit had different jurors, so you had twice as many chances of getting one or both pieces in, and I'll just let you know what happened. So for the first exhibit, which the awards ceremony is on May 18th, I was able to get the You Are of Many Worlds piece in, and I am super excited. And for the Westmoreland Arts and Heritage Festival facet of the exhibit, which is on June 29th is the awards ceremony there. I'll have more information about both of those because I believe there is an online component to those, and you'll be able to see all of the wonderful artwork that is going to be submitted. And this is a national exhibit, so this is from all over the states. But yeah, I believe if you have Facebook, there is an online presence for this, and you can even vote for People's Choice Awards and whatever, but there's always a lot of really great art on there. So when I have more information about that, I will be posting that for you. But for the Westmoreland Arts and Heritage Festival side, I was able to get in Flower of the Beast. So I was able to get both of the pieces in that I entered, and I am super excited. So what next? So next up, I am going to be entering another juried exhibit, well, possibly. It is actually an alumni exhibit from my alma mater, Seton Hill University, and I believe the deadline is this Saturday, and I am recording this on Thursday, so I've got like 2 days to pull it together. So my hope is to be able to get it in on time, and when I do, I'm going to show you the pieces that I intend to enter there. These are all pieces that if you've been a watcher of my channel, you have seen me make. So I will let you know what the outcome is of that, whether or not I actually get to submit to it or not. I was looking at the prospectus, and of course there are words on there that require technology that is beyond me because, you know, most of it is. So if I get a chance to figure that out and get that submitted, I'm going to actually, at the end here, I'm going to put up the 3 pieces that I'm going to submit in that exhibit. But thanks so much for all of your support during this. This is so much fun. I just live for this kind of stuff. And I will be in touch and letting you know. And I'll be back next week with a regular art video like I typically do. I'll be doing I'll be posting my short video on Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and my long format video next Friday at 10 a.m. as I always do. But you guys are great. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of the support. And stay tuned here, and I'm going to show you the 3 that, if I get to, I will be exhibiting in the alumni show. Have a great week.